everyone, good morning. Anyway guys, this is Wilma. Welcome to my farm. So today's video guys is about my pig. So let's go in our piggery and I'm gonna show you what happened today. So, andito na ako guys sa aming piggery. Yan. Ang video ko ngayon guys ay ngayong araw na ito. Today is the first day I will give a starter to my 6 piglets there. Because dahil tapos na sila sa pre-starter, i-transfer ko na sila sa starter feeds. So, bago ko ipuro ang starter feeds guys, ay hahaluan ko muna ng pre-starter para hindi sila mabigla. So, I gonna mix like this. I gonna show you. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko i-mix ang aking ipapakain sa kanila. So, this is the feeds that I give it to them. Ito yung starter. At saka ito yung pre-starter. So, ang gagawin ko guys ay 50-50. Ayan, half of this one. At half of this starter. Ayan. At tuturuan ko na rin sila guys na kakain ng wet feeding. Kasi wet feeding ay mas maganda. It's more better wet feeding than dry feeding. Kasi if wet feeding, they grow faster. This is the first time nakakain sila guys ng starter. So, tuturuan ko silang kakain ng basa. Ayan. But ito, we're gonna keep 5 minutes bago natin ibibigay to melt the feeds inside. At meron din ako guys, vitamins na ibibigay sa kanila for the first time they eat starter. Ibigyan natin sila ng vitamins. Pero this vitamins is for twice a week only. You can mix in their food. Ito guys ay Sustanzi. Ito guys ay maganda sa baboy. Ayan. For pig vitamins. Ito guys ay naglalaman ng multivitamins plus mineral at saka electrolytes. You know guys, ang electrolytes ay yung para hindi sila ma-stress dahil they are new for the feeds. They will not stress. Just give them Sustansi. Ito guys ay bagong vitamins na nirekomenda ng aming veterinary. Napakaganda ito guys. 2 weeks ko na itong ginagamit. So, lagyan lang natin ng konti guys. Ayan. Estimate na lang, 1 teaspoon. Ayan. Maganda ito guys sa mga baboy. Lalo na ngayon, we have ASF spreading everywhere. So, they have energy. Additional energy, vitamins in their body to make them strong. Para sila'y malakas, lagyan natin sila ng vitamins. Okay. So, it's ready for give now. Ayan. So, this is the piglets that I give this news. Mag-starter na guys sila dahil 2 buwan na sila. They are 2 months on Saturday. So, bigyan ko na sila guys ng starter. Ayan. This is the first time they eat. Oh, gustong-gusto nila. They love it. This is the first day they eat starter, guys. Ayan. Gustong-gusto nila. Ito, guys, ay 8 noon. Kaso, yung 2, I sell it. So, they are only 6 now. Hello. Hello, Piggy. Piggy. Ang babait nila. Ito guys ay may lang pet train kasi yan may pet train durok. Tsaka large white. As I can see, one of them is very soft poo. May nagtatay guys na isa. So I have available here, may nakaano ako dito na gamot. Ito guys. Ito yung gamot ng nagtatai, yung kung malambot ang tae nila guys. If their tae is soft, their poo is soft, ito guys ang ibibigay mo. Rebes strep. Napakaganda ito guys. Ito ang talagang ginagamit ko pag may nagbasa na tae nila. Kasi pag pinabayaan natin yan, magkakalat guys. Ayan, estimate 1 spoon. Kasi guys, if one of them is soft poo, it will transfer to its others. So that's why if you see one they poo is soft, you have to give them immediately, because it's not good if you give them if you don't give immediately, dahil magkakalat yan guys, it getting worse. Ayan, iniinom na nila guys yung Revestret. Maganda yan guys na nagtataing baboy. Dudumi nila. Minute shower, oy. So, ayan, ang lilinis na nila. They're now clean guys. I have one like that. But that's not a boris. It's yung lus-lus guys. Lus-lus yan. Yung intestine niya, the intestine coming out. So, that's why I like that. Pero, nakapon na yan guys. Habang lumalaki, lumalaki din yan. Yan yung bitukan niya guys, lumabas. Karamihan kasi ng mga baboy na ganyan. Some of pig like that. There is yung tinatawag nilang lus-lus sa Tagalog. Ewan ko sa English. Hindi ko alam sa English. But it's already castrated, that one. Nakapon na yan guys. Ganyan lang siya. Pero malaki naman ang katawan niya. Alam nyo guys, pag malinis ang ating mga alaga, lalagyan na, we give them vitamins, they are clean, and they are healthy. They're growing fast. Lalo na, especially water. Kailangan hindi sila nagkukulang guys sa tubig. Kasi pag nagkukulang tubig, mga ito magbabansot sila. Tapos, it's very hard to recover. That's why, at this age, you have to maintain their maintenance, whatever the technician advice, you have to give them. Kailangan ibibigyan natin sa kanila guys. Kasi, mahirap guys pag nagbansot ang age na ito. Hindi natin mahirap silang, tayo rin malulugi. Nandito rin guys mga grower stage ko. Ayan sila, malalaki na rin sila. Ayan. Grower stage na mga ito guys. 3 buwan na sila. By December ito na ay may didispose, December. At exactly, I have one pig there pregnant. Exactly yun dahil mga anak. And this one we will dispose. It's a rotation guys. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Ang gaganda na ng katawan nila. Ito guys ay CJ brand. Pero pag nag-grower na sila guys, kailangan lagyan natin sila ng wet feeding. Lahat na guys ito, wet feeding. Alam mo, maano sila sa tubig guys. Ayan. Alam niyang iniinom nila guys, ang the capacity water that they drink every day. You see the pink gallon there? That's they drink 2 gallon of that one. Inalagyan ko yan guys sa umaga till afternoon, they drink 1, and then in the night they drink 1 also. Ang lakas nila uminom guys kasi you know here in our place is very hot. Sometimes hot, sometimes cold. You know guys, only this year we breed a pig like this. Ngayon lang na marami kaming inalagaan ngayon kasi ito ang sarili naming piglets. Sarili namin ito guys, kaya marami. So, mas maganda guys ang may hinahin. Kasi hindi na tayo bumibili ng biik. Kasi mahal ang bihik dito guys. So ngayon lang na taon nito guys na marami kaming baboy. At sana wag namang matamaan ng ASF. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you want my video, please subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice day.